Hi viewers, welcome to Mantan TV. Here we are with CA HANMANDLOO sir, and today's topic is AIS. Sir is going to explain about it. Sir, what is the meaning of AIS?
AIS is Annual Information Statement maintained by the Income Tax Department
Okay,
of every taxpayer.
okay,
So, every taxpayer, the Income Tax Department will collect information from many departments: post office, banks, demat accounts, credit card companies, and we can say uh, uh, postal certificate, company dividends, shareholders, share transactions. All this information from nearly 50, we have more than 50 sections of organization, sub-register of sale of properties, purchase of properties, cash deposits, cash withdrawals. All this information will be provided by these banks and financial registration office, stock exchange, reserve bank, mutual fund companies. They will provide information twice in a year, annual information return that they have to provide every for every 6 months with the income tax department. That is digitally. There is no paper. Online, they have to apply. They have to fill up the details. Means automatically the bank software will pass on the message to the income tax department automatically. Half yearly, once through AIR, the annual information return. That is called Statement of Financial Transactions also, SFT. So all these companies, banks, post office, uh, every mutual fund companies, whichever is dealing with financial assets, so registration office, they'll for every half yearly they'll send information digitally to the income tax department, and all the income tax department will bifurcate the information based on the individual taxpayer. Suppose all this information come from bank from 1,000 members, so bank will get 1,000 members, 1,000 people information, but income tax department will bifurcate into 1,000 people, and each individually, and also will get information from registration office, and that information will be person wise, taxpayer wise, income tax department will maintain and forward to the taxpayer. That's the annual information statement. So these the companies which are the companies, organizations, authorities which are dealing with the persons are send information to income tax department through SFT, Statement of Financial Transactions, and Income Tax Department will bifurcate all the information to based on the taxpayer, based on the PAN number, and they will pass on the information to the taxpayer that this is the information available with us, and that you have to whether you have filed the return of income, and they will verify with the return of income filed, and they will take action when it is required. That is the annual information statement.
okay. How the income tax department will get the information, sir?
I told you this. Suppose a company pays dividend, the company will forward the dividend details to the income tax department in the returns. See, these are the people who are the shareholders. They have paid so much of dividend. The post office paid interest. The post office will forward the details to income tax department. The property a person has sold the properties. The registration office will send the details of the purchasers and sellers to the income tax department with PAN numbers. Suppose a bank pays interest and deposits. The bank will send the information to the income tax department. Mutual funds. Any person is invested and they will pay at the actual goal. All these details will be forwarded by the by different. There are 36 agencies which will file information with the income tax department for every half yearly. That is through a statement of financial transactions. Every they have to file the details with the income tax department.
And what information does the income tax department has, sir?
Mainly the information is having income tax department will collect information with regarding a taxpayer. Nearly more than 50 types of transactions. 50 more than maybe 56, 57 types of transactions. The income tax department will collect the information. Maybe salary issued by him, pension, arrears of salary, retirement benefits. You can say rents received, dividends received from companies, interest and savings accounts, bank current accounts,
Okay,
loan accounts, interest paid and loan accounts, and interest from other parties who has given loan and they paid interest, and interest from, and also interest on bonds, government securities, and any money received from insurance. Suppose a maturity has happened, the insurance company pays the amount to the policyholder, and that information also will be provided by the LIC to the income tax department. And another thing is National Savings Scheme, Post Office Deposit Scheme.
Okay.
The post office will give you the details of the person who has invested and he has withdrawn, how much is the amount withdrawn by the person. The details will be provided to the income tax department, national savings certificates. And another reason, one is sale of purchase and sale of property, land and buildings, even rental agreements, joint development agreements, gift deeds also will be informed to the income tax department if the value is more than 30 lakhs. But now it is made, I think, every transaction more than 2 lakhs will be forwarded to the income tax department. And next one is the amounts withdrawn by person from the bank, cash withdrawn from the bank, cash deposited to the bank, accounts also will be informed by the banks to the income tax department. Sale of vehicles. Suppose a person has sold the second-hand vehicle, he has sold it. The registration RTO office will forward the details to the purchaser and seller to the income tax department.
Okay.
GST purchase. Suppose we go to a hotel, we purchase purchases, and we paid GST. If we give our PAN number, they will forward the details to the income tax department. I mean, this is generally for business to business only, not for business to consumers.
Okay.
Means consumer need not give the details. Only the second hand who purchase for resale, B2B transaction will be informed to the income tax department by the GST department. The rent payments also by persons, cash deposits, cash withdrawals, foreign travel. Many people go to out of country, they will get passport, they will get a visa, and they will buy the foreign currency in the traveler's checks or in the Reserve Bank of India. All this information will be provided. Foreign travel details, foreign currency purchase also details will be provided by Reserve Bank to the income tax department. Another one is deposits, postal deposits,
Okay.
bank deposits. Every type of deposit will be covered, whether it be small period, short period, any amount will be informed to the income tax department. And another important transaction is credit cards.
Okay.
Many people feel that credit card is nothing will happen, it's my information. But all these credit card companies will forward information, how much amount you have paid to the credit card company, for what transaction. All this information will be provided to the income tax department.
Okay.
Suppose a person income is 5 lakhs. During the year, he has paid to the credit card company 10 lakhs. The income tax department will ask you, income is only 5 lakhs. You have paid 10 lakhs to the credit card company. What is the difference? You explain the difference. So this is for this purpose, all credit card companies will provide information to the income tax department.
The person with the PAN card, how much is the amount he can deposit, sir?
So in the savings account, he can deposit in cash, not more than 10 lakhs.
Okay. Per PAN
per
card.
year, per account, per
account.
PAN card. Suppose if I am having a account in 3 banks, I can invest all together 9.5 lakhs, 10 lakhs only, not
Okay.
more than that. If I deposit more than 10 lakhs, income tax department will send you a notice that based on your PAN card, you have deposited so and so amount. What is the source for that? This one.
Okay.
Even for current accounts, it's 25 lakhs.
Okay.
Current account means business transactions. It's
Oh.
25 lakhs. So if any person make deposits of more than 25 lakhs in current account or more than 10 lakhs in savings accounts, all accounts put together,
Altogether.
the income tax department will send the notice.